Good to see you. Welcome back. Yes? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Gordon.
Stroppy knickers at home?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for that. Nice to see you.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Very
good to see you all. Welcome back.
Thank you.
The best performing brigade. Congratulations on that. However, it wasn't perfect, was it? Last time we had 22 complaints. That was 22 too many. Yeah?
Yep. Yes.
Tonight, we got the perfect meal, so I want perfect results.
All right.
150 plates, all paid for.
Okay.
We got the most amazing menu. Something I've had in the back garden for months. You're cooking my pigs tonight. Okay, it means a lot for me.
Absolutely.
And you've clearly proved you're good. But tonight is the chance to prove you're great.
Okay.
Yes? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes? Let's get cooking on the sections. Let's go. Francesca and Peter here. GB, Lucy over there, yes?
All right.
So, the salad of roasted scallops with new potatoes is a signature dish. Put the pans on, get the scallops out, and we'll do it together, yes?
Okay.
Let's start off.
How many per?
Yep, there we go. I knew you'd be first button in there.
Yeah.
Fuck me, have I missed you. OK, potatoes. Nice hot pan. That's colouring nicely. Now the scallops. Into the hand and open. We've got curry powder and salt. 2/3 to 1/3. Back in. And we go round from 12 o'clock. Why do we do that?
So that you know where you started every time.
Exactly that, so they're not overcooked. Yeah. Now, it's so important not to overcook scallops. Give them a little shake to make sure they're not sticking. Finger on and turn. They've got a nice colour on there. And look. See the colour?
Yeah.
Now, touch. They're nice and firm and out. See? You don't get better fast food than that, I can assure you. Out, look. Summer truffles, yeah? I mean, amazing. Great delicacy. As they hit the scallop, it cooks the truffle. So it perfumes the scallop.
Yep.
Salad, creamy vinaigrette. And that has to be the best starter, yeah, in London tonight, look. Yeah? OK, ladies, here we go, yes? Oh, boy, yes?
Let's go.
Yes,
Well done getting this far. Now you're here, make it worthwhile, yes?
Yes, Gordon.
OK, on order, 4 covers table 3, 4 seared scallop, 4 roast pork, 4 apple dessert.
Yes, Gordon.
Yes, Gordon.
Thank you. Let's go, ladies, yes? Tonight's brigade are Peter, Francesca, GB and Lucy.
Oh, shit, sorry.
You know.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
Last time the A&E doctors were in the kitchen, they almost blinded me, but they were by far the best of all my amateur brigades.
What do you want me to say? Well done for fucking them
I
up.
don't want you to say. I want you to say something once, Mr. Ramsay, and then shut the fuck up.
Take the oil off the stove quickly. Oh, fuck me. What are you doing? For the last 3 hours, you've been calling me mate. Gordon. James, it'd be greatly appreciated for the next 20 minutes, Gordon. I'm not your fucking mate. Right, where's the scallops? Come over.
You've got
No, come on. How many scallops? 5 and 5, yeah?
potatoes, yeah.
Good.
5 and 5.
Nice, tight circle.
I'm not very good at
Yeah, don't go too wide. Come on, ladies, please. I can't get any more simpler than this, yes? Come on. Let's go. Go, please. Table 3. Peter, Francesca, start your 3rd table. Good, let's go. GB.
Yes, Gordon.
Step up a gear, please.
Yes,
Let's go.
Gordon.
The excitement about cooking this at home, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, you can actually sit down and eat it with your guests. Do you understand? It's not something you have to spend fucking 3 hours in the kitchen for. Right, Lucy, watch.
Yep.
Creamy vinaigrette. We've got creme fraiche in there.
Yes.
Chopped truffle. It's basically the vinaigrette finished with creme fraiche, so it's nice and light.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's beautiful. Maximum amount of salad. Let's go quickly. Please, go. Table 8. You feel a winning store, yes? The scruffy one, table 14. It's a very messy cook, you know that. Huh?
I only have eyes for your cookery, Gordon.
Yeah. I'm glad to hear it, Peter. Service, please. £7 for that. I'd pay £17 for that. Go. Please, go. Table 8. Let's go. Well done.
It was the scallops that were, king there, without a doubt. Just fell apart. It had a really wholesome taste to it, and it still had that sort of meaty texture which you look for in a scallop.
Considering I don't really eat scallops at all, and it was probably the 2nd time I've tried it, so yeah, really good.
Presentation was beautiful, looked lovely. Thought it was a little bit chewy, but overall, compliments to the chef.
Right, feedback for the scallops?
Very good. 49 people happy.
49?
Yeah.
Yes. Great news. Well done. Fantastic.
Yeah, very good.
Not total perfection, but it's bloody good. I mean, really good.